And one other thing, as we're talking about CSST, is what you see right here. The big green thing in here is a propane tank outside of the building. And one of the things you can never do, at least in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, is you never can run CSST outside, ever. It has to be a plate against the wall, and then you have to go to either copper tubing, in the case of propane, or back to steel. It's really critical as you move on. And oh yeah, don't be drilling holes that look like that and not sleeving the material. And even though that was all wrong in here, there's nothing right about what you're seeing there. That was a fail all day in the worst kind of way. But they want their heat on. Hell no, they're not getting any heat. Drain the building down. Draining the building down is better than blowing up and getting killed because you didn't know what you were doing.